decorate your life. Today we have a really big, huge haul from Temu, and it is all crafting supplies, as you can see, and we're gonna go ahead and get started because this is a lot. Actually, these are two separate orders, and so yeah, and they packed them all. They pretty much came the same day in one large bag. So for starters, let's just start with, I love ordering their resin pieces because you get a lot of bang for your buck, and and this came really fast. And so let me go ahead and show you what we have here. And so, oh my gosh, look at these. These are super cute. Look at that. Aren't these adorable? And I will do my best to have all of these linked in my description area of my video, of my YouTube video. But I cannot guarantee that these items will still be there when you decide to get them. Oh my gosh, there's so many in here. Look at this. Because a lot of them sell so quick, you know. It's like you see it, put it in your cart. You just put it in your cart and get it. Oh my gosh, there's so much in here. I love it. Yay! Oh my gosh, I love these. What I like to use my resin pieces are in bows. I love making bows, and speaking of bows, I went ahead and ordered a couple of packs of bows so that, oh my gosh, look at these. Aren't these so cute? So cute. I love them. Okay, and we have more here. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my gosh. As you can see, I've ordered plenty of pastels, plenty of pink. Oh my gosh, look at these bows. I'm gonna try to go fast to share this with you. And I will do my best to continue speaking. I know that sometimes y'all don't like the music, but those of you who know about my vocal cord condition understand why sometimes I just either have to throw in, oh, this is so cute, those AI robotic voices, or just music and descriptions, because it just hurts to speak. And so, oh, I love these. Plus, another reason why I order all this stuff is because I'm fixing to make some Merry Mail. Hint. I love that. Oh my gosh, look at these. I know that these, you can open them, but it's easier for me to just use the scissors. You know, besides, they don't stay in these bags any hoot. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Look at these chocolate ice creams. Oh, yummy. I love stuff like this. Delicious. And look at this blue one. Oh my gosh, it's so stinking cute. Look at this ice cream cone with a smiley face. Wow. I'll just, maybe this one at this point. And these are so super cute. Oh my gosh. This one's stuck in there. Look at these. These are unicorns and stars. They go extremely well with my unicorn paper. Oh, look at that. That is so adorable. Let's see. Did I show you these? I think these are part of the ice creams. Yeah, they're part of the ice cream. There's so many of them. I love that. Okay, let me show you. I think, nope, there's more here. Okay. easier this way. Oh my goodness, look at that. And look at the bunny. I love this one. Look at that. It's so cute. And there's this one. Oh, how cute. I'll go ahead and use some of these. Some of these will go into Happy Mail. And whatever's left over, I think I'll go ahead and put them up on my website. But I doubt there will be some left over anyways. You just have to like check my website and see if I have put anything up there. But if you're interested in getting these from Temu, like I said, don't wait on it. Sometimes these are such really great deals, and people buy them so they can put them in their stores, and so they run out fairly quickly. Plus, what I really enjoy about Temu is that shipping is so fast. And the reason why shipping is really speedy is because they have 2 warehouses on both ends of the states, one on the East Coast and another one in California. Look how gorgeous this is. This is like right up my alley. Yeah, this goes extremely well with my En Vogue paper collection. And here is, oh yeah, I bought 2 packs of the same thing, and I bought this pack of this. Here we go. Because the other pack, this one is in gold. The last pack that I bought was in silver, and I went through those like water, and I just wanted to see how the gold-plated ones were, and these are absolutely stunning, so I will be getting some more of these. And of course, I have some flat back pearls in just different sizes, you know, for embellishing and whatnot. And these are some flat back buttons, kind of like flower buttons, if you could see. Okay, and excuse me. This is the 1.1 centimeter, so you could see the size, like so. Okay, and I have this beautiful trim that I thought I'd go ahead and try it out. Look at that. Look at that. And she is the same color as Jenny over here. Jenny got the other one of these, and so I gifted it to her, and she named her Sandy, so I'm naming mine Jenny. So look at that. Look how pretty that is. Really nice. Yeah. And here are the dies that, excuse me, my voice is going, so I better go ahead and do the dies first. This is a gingerbread girl die, as you can see right along here. She's got an apron, and she's got a dress, and she's got hair, her arms, and her hands, little hands. So cute. Cute. I love this. Oh, and I also got the boy. Check this out. There we go. Look at that. That is so adorable. This is the boy with a chef hat is what he has. He's got a chef hat, and these are the little squiggly lines that you see in the these right here, these characters, gingerbread characters. And I also got, I forgot what I got. Let me see what this is. And this is, oh, like an ice cream cup. Okay, so now What do I have in here? I have no idea. Okay, let me go ahead and use the scissors on this because I really have no idea what's in here. Ooh! More of these! Look at that, aren't these the cutest things? Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Love them, love them, love them, love them. And I went ahead and ordered a few of these because I do want to make some of these for Happy Mail, and whatever's left over will go to my store. And yeah, I'm going to make some beaded pens. I have all the beads for them that I place a separate order from, and I got half of that order in, and the other half should be in within the next couple of days. And I also got, this is listed in the crafts section as a pencil case. It opens up this much. Okay, it's pretty large, as you can see, and I'm still holding off on this. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm thinking about using this as a makeup bag so that I can just put my take out cosmetics and just stick them in my purse, because right now the makeup bag that I'm using for my purse is several years old, and you know, it's seen better days, and it's kind of embarrassing to pull it out in a public restroom, but then again, I don't care. But see, it's got pockets, and yeah, you're gonna find this in the stationery department. And so, yeah, like I said earlier, I'm going to go ahead and try and link everything that you see here in the description underneath my video. Go ahead and use my coupon code for 30% off your first time order. And I will leave my affiliate link also in the description area of this video. And with affiliate links, the prices remain the same. All it does is it gives me enough commission for a Happy Meal. And that's about it, you know, Happy Meal, because I really don't eat that much anymore. Okay, so thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you once again real soon. Bye.